Oh. Hey guys, so today we have this. It's a 2014 Honda Forza 300 motorcycle. 300cc engine, has a top speed of 85 miles an hour, and honestly, I believe this thing will do it. And it'll get there at a pretty quick pace. Pretty stable on the highway, and even has ABS brakes. Fun little motorcycle to ride, with that dependable Honda reliability. And on top of it all, it's a CVT transmission. So stay tuned, because I got to do the drive oil on that. But in this video, I'm going to give this a quick ride, which will be a different video, and get the oil warmed up. Because this, definitely due for an oil change. Well, that's what I assume. You see, when we bought this at the beginning of the season, apparently it had already got an oil change, but I'm not 100% sure. And ever since we've got it, we put about 1,200 kilometers or 750 miles on it. And I picked up some oil for it, got a filter. Let's get cracking, get that oil changed. But first, I'll be right back because I got to get the oil warmed up. See you soon, guys. Okay. So to do the oil change, we're going to get this pan under here. You know what, first things first, let's get this thing up on the center stand. That's a 15. There, we'll get this under here. Now let's see, what size socket do I need for this oil filter that they have on there? Let's see. See this oil filter here. 11/16. Okay, I'll deal with that. First things first, though. Where is it? Let's see, where is that bolt? Where is it hiding? Ooh, it's hiding over there. I see it over there. This guy right here. So this is a 12 mil. Oh. Come on. Silly ratchet. Keeps turning back and forth on me. There we go. Oh. 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 That felt great. Ouch. Thank you very much for that. That felt amazing to smash my hand on that. Oh. And of course it's stuck. Because of course it is. There. Probably would have been easier from the other side, but then I wouldn't have smashed my hand on it. Oops. There's a couple of sockets. I'm pushing up as I'm taking it out. That when I get to this part, I can just go bloop. And there she goes. Peeing it out. So we'll let that drain for a few minutes. I've let it cool a little bit, so it's not super hot, so I didn't burn my hand when I did this. But not so cool that it's super thick. I mean, it's only 10W30, believe it or not. And because it has a dry clutch, because it's CVT, it doesn't need any kind of special motorcycle oil. You can basically just use engine oil in this thing. Just 10W30 synthetic, and there you go, done. Yeah, we're just about done. It's got to drain a little bit longer. Oof, look at that. Oh my. Well, that's pretty dark. But then again, I mean, it was due for an oil change, so no surprise. No surprise at all. Okay, so let's get this bolt back in now. Yeah. So I basically just lost a socket. Yep. He's escaped. Oh. Oh. I totally just dropped that in there. That's okay. It'll now be well lubricated. There. Yuck. That was swell. Okay, let's go deal with this. There's that socket. I'll grab that. Pesky fellow. There. Well, at least we know now it'll never rust or corrode because it's full of oil. Nice. Absolutely awesome. That's good enough. All right. Now for the oil filter. Shows 11/16. This one here. There we go. Hey, look at that, guys. Look what I found. A red subscribe button. If you made it this far into the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, give it a thumbs up. Comment below. I love to read your comments, and I try to reply to as many of them as I can, especially the early ones. All right, guys, back to the video. Oh, nice. It's not jammed on so tight that you need to be Zeus to take it off. That's good. Perfect. There we go. Oil filter's off. Okay. Now, the oil filter to put back on. Let's quickly compare. Yeah, they look the same, other than oil around the ring. And then pop this guy on. There. Good. Very, very good. That's done. Now let's go to the other side. There, now the fun part of plopping in some 10W30 takes 1400 mil, which is, well, it's something. It's definitely going to be at least one of these and another half. So 946, 14, 554. So I guess, where is it? Another 20 ounces of this. At least that's what it says on the side of the bottle. Or is that how much is remaining? Yeah, that'd be how much is remaining. So I would need to use up and leave 16 ounces left in the bottle. Okay. So we'll put it here. Check the oil level. Should be over. Yeah, she's definitely going to be over because it's not inside the oil filter yet. Yeah, not in the oil filter yet. We'll close this up. Drop on camera. Killed it. It's there. Try that again. Good. Now let's check the oil level again. Yeah, I think we're good this time. Yeah, we're good. Cool. Cool, cool. Well, we're left with just a little bit over 500 mil, or just under 20 ounces. So that was pretty good. So I'm going to start it and run it for a second or two, and we'll check the oil level again. Let's check the oil level again. Yeah, we're perfect. Yeah, we're perfect. Good. Oil's changed. Bike's ready to go for another 8,000 kilometers or another year. Perfect. Well, there you go, guys. That's how we change the oil on 2014 Honda Forza. Although it doesn't really make much of a difference. The Honda Forza, whether it's a 2014, 2015, they're basically all the same. So Honda Forza motorcycle, yep, that's how you change the oil on it. All right, guys, I guess see you in the next one. So that was a fun one, eh, guys? There we go. First motorcycle video on the channel. Something I've been wanting to do. And yeah, just you'll have to wait for the first ride video, and I'll be giving a brief tour of this bike so you guys can get an idea of exactly what it is. And hey, you never know, maybe you guys are already riding one of these. So let me know down below in the comments, what do you guys ride? Currently, this is my bike. I got the most hours in this saddle, and honestly, love this bike. It's a lot of fun, but we are looking to upgrade it to a 650. That way my wife and I both have a bike that we both really, really want to ride. So this one, very, very nice. Good starter bike. Like honestly, it's a really good starter bike, or even if this was your only bike that you had, really good bike, really good for commuting and everything. Very fast, really stable on the highway. So yeah, a lot of fun. A lot of fun with this beast. All right, guys. Can't leave this in here. So better take that out for safety. Oh, right. Yes. I forgot. One more thing. Ignition off for safety.